9 minus 5 gives us 4. And here we have 5 minus 1, which again equals 4. So 4 times 4 equals 16. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. And when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 5 times 5 equals 25. So 9 minus 25, then minus 1. Now we have to do this subtraction. 9 minus 25 gives us negative 16. So negative 16 minus 1, which equals negative 17. And this is our final answer to this problem.